All right, so let me just send a note to AB. This is important. Yeah, say something entertaining, Elo.
Okay, Jupiter said, first ever chat. I never get to watch live because of work, and a lot of the time I'm behind. I feel you on that. But I just got caught up after a month, and I'm off today, so here I am. I love Ethan, Ela, and the whole crew so much. Y'all are my rocks. Also loving the Nate soundbites. Keep it up, Zach and Nate.
Dude, Nate soundbites are just taking everybody by storm.
Yes. Well, shout out Jupiter. Thank you.
Oh, is that Jupiter we know? How many people named Jupiter? Was that Ian's friend who was helping us write for a bit? You remember, Dan?
Interesting.
The Hannah we know?
What's his name, Jupiter?
Yes.
How many Jupiters are there?
Probably not a lot.
There's at least one, and it's like the planet.
Oh, the one in space?
Yeah.
Maybe it's this planet.
Yeah, it could be
it's
that.
actually the largest planet in the solar system. It's
Incoming.
many scientists.
Oh,
actually
here. What
theorize
are you
that
doing? A
it's-
traffic report on
Many
Jupiter?
Scientists actually theorize that it's a failed star, like a small brown dwarf.
You know, I was actually thinking that
It is
before
what
you even
podcasting
said
is.
that. So
Yeah.
that makes
Dwarf
sense.
star?
Think how close we were to being in a binary star system.
Wow.
How would that have changed the course of human evolution?
What an honor that would have been.
Yeah.
You guys,
Oh, we're non-binary?
No, we're singular.
we have one star system.
we have a single star in our system, but
We're cis.
We are non-binary.
Well, you know that with the actually,
dream
if there
about what
was
we're
if there was two stars, that might not be sustainable, and I'll tell you why, Dan. The three-body problem.
yeah.
Planets would be in an unpredictable orbit,
Right.
and you wouldn't know how long the summer was going to be, how long the winter was going to be. You might go into an ice phase without even knowing about it.
Well, your
or the planet
concern-
might heat up 100 degrees.
While your concern is valid, I
thought we were
have
talking
seen
about that.
theoretical models of how a star system could be balanced around a binary set of stars, depending on how they are positioned.
No, you haven't.
I mean,
Yeah, I've seen
binary is possible, but when we're talking three,
Trinary? Oh,
that's trouble.
don't get me started.
To be fair,
that's
I think
trouble,
it
bro.
sounds like shit.
Three
Don't
is just
get
a
him
black
started.
hole, okay? We don't want nothing to do with those. Kabish?
Real quick, Ethan, we just got a very generous super chat from Enter Chazman. Thank you so much.
Chazman.
Jupiter has the largest known storm in the galaxy, known as the Great.
No, don't take us back to that.
That's a never-ending
Oh my
storm
God.
with a big eye, right?
Yeah,
Jasmine.
It's big.
What are you doing to us?
And it's red, and it's a spot on the surface of Jupiter. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for the donation. That's so exciting.
Actually,
donation
Morgan
was
dropped some
$5, by the way,
breaking
$5.
news.
Thank
The
you.
eye of
Shout out.
Jupiter is gone. You hear that?
Sorry, what?
The eye of Jupiter is gone.
That was a soundbite. Ignore it.
Why?
I don't know. It went away.
I don't think that's real. Where did the eye of Jupiter go?
It's gone.
Were you talking about the Great Red Spot or the Eye of Jupiter? I don't think.
I'm talking
I don't-
about the drops
is
of
this the
Jupiter.
I'm
same
just
thing?
relaying
her hair.
information given to me. Okay.
No,
Okay,
you're lying.
fact check that. Is
lying.
the eye of
Fact check that.
Jupiter gone, guys? Fact
I'm
check.
not gonna fact check that.
That's okay. You just switch. These guys will do it.
It's not gone.
Oh, she said it will be gone.
Oh, maybe yeah.
No,
when
it's
the, when
not
the
gone.
universe fucking suffers a heat death. Like,
It's
how long we
shrinking.
waiting?
Nate, what chat are you reading?
It's very offensive to all the Jupiters out there saying that.
You hate Jupiter.
yeah.
This is anti Jupiter.
Yeah,
That's
saying
all
that
Jupiter.
the red spot is gone. Fucked up.
Yeah, I'm listening. Don't worry.
Anti-Jupiter.
I hate Jupiters.
Are you okay?
No.
We have fun, don't we? Anyway, this person shows how delusional
They
he
found
is.
life on Mars.
Yeah.
Fuck you, Dan.
I'm waiting for more details. I haven't looked into that yet.
No, you didn't see?
I just saw I didn't see an article about it.
That was
Got
NASA,
overshadowed
bro.
by the
Hold it up.
Charlie Kirk news, but life on Mars, NASA. Here we go.
Did they publish findings, or are they just saying?
I believe so.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
they found with Perseverance, which is like the little rover that they have out there right now, a patch of rocks that show signs that they interpret as being the after effect of microbial life processing, like digesting organic matter.
Sounds
So
pretty
basically,
cool to
like
me.
it's the end result of the process of decay happening from like
Do we have
microbial life.
pictures?
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't look like much to be honest, but
See pics.
they discovered this about a year ago. This was the picture that set it all off. And I guess this kind of like spotted pattern in the rock, they put their findings out to the scientific community, and about a year passed, and everybody came back and kind of reconvened with their findings. And basically they're saying it's not 100% confirmed, but we do not have any other explanation for this other than microbial life.
This
on
formation occurring.
Yeah. So at some point there was life on Mars, which is pretty.
Well, hold on. You're speaking. I don't think they're saying that 100%.
They're not saying 100%, but I watched the news conference. They're very they're really excited about this.
You know,
they think they're cooking here.
Put the photo up.
Apparently, iDubbbz already commented on this. He covered the story.
Really?
And he told NASA, go kick rocks.
Yo, no. Why?
Actually, I heard he says, "I hate Jupiter."
I don't know why that'd be related to news about Mars.
I'm seeing
Well,
men
it's
are
another
from
planet, Dan.
I'm seeing men are from Mars,
Talking
women
to
are from
NASA.
Venus.
Well, I mean, that's amazing, right? People have
Incredible.
suspected this. If we have proof, that's exciting. We need a sample of it because the real revelation happens when you see if the life uses DNA structure like us, or if it's a completely different type of life that's developed separately.
Our
That
DNA history.
is
What is that?
the
term?
gajillion-dollar question, and each one of them has a fascinating implication, right?
Here, I can give you a little bit more specifics. The spots carried the signature of two iron-rich minerals, vivinite, which is hydrate iron phosphate, or greigite, which is iron sulfide. They're frequently found on Earth in sediments, peat bogs, and around decaying organic matter. Similarly, certain forms of microbial life on Earth can produce greigite. So anyways, it's like these minerals that they've found, and at least on Earth, when you find those minerals, it's from decaying organic matter. So
How fucking interesting is that, huh?
There are
Those dots are pretty big, too.
I know.
They're
Probably
not like
smells like
microscopic, you know?
Yeah. There are apparently natural ways, like that's not organic. These things can happen, but not during the circumstances that this rock is in.
There
So
you go.
there are, maybe if that rock is like from another place, it could be like just like a chemical
again,
reaction.
I
or
guess
some shit.
if we want to be totally accurate, they didn't say it's 100% this. They said we cannot come up with any other explanation than this. Doesn't mean there isn't another explanation, but as far as all these smart scientists go, they can't think of anything else that could be.
Is it crazy? $5 to fucking disrupt the whole show. That's
I gotta say, I know why we're talking about it, because all the Anissa content is so brain dead that we need to learn
You
something.
got to stimulate a little bit in the midst
in
of
between,
it.
just
for sure.
to.
All right, we can return.
Well,
I
it may
apologize.
well be,
I
Dan,
apologize.
that we are all Martians. That life actually started on Mars. And from a huge impact,
Maybe
there was
kick that up into
it actually
space.
jettisoned space rocks, debris, all the way to Earth. And life started from the, I think they call it like even it's called spermiosis. It uses sperm in it, which is funny, right? It's called space sperm.
Would you like a bagel or something,
Swear.
Ethan? We need to.
I know how to move on. We've lost 1,000 viewers since this discussion.
Yeah.
It's not my fault.
Just saying.
Dan's fault. Yeah, it's called panspermia. Isn't that fucking awesome?
Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. Makes sense.
Fucking Mars nutted all over Earth.
It's awesome. Yeah, in the early stages of life becoming life, like the microbial shit, the chances of it like going from like a non-organic matter into an organic matter is like 1 in 500 trillion billion or some crazy shit. So it is very unlikely, and people don't really know how it initially happened. So your theory might actually.
Oh,
be
you
it
guys.
doesn't even
Because
matter.
It started on Mars.
Exactly.
Schubert Dubert said, "You read my reply tweet to Anissa, and I never felt more famous in my life. Longtime fan." That's very cool. And if you're the one, I think you had more likes than her too.
Well, anyway,
Schubert.
I once again just want to bask in the insanity of this. She is taking the heat, guys, for all of Gaza. Truly, what better activism could she hope to present than that? This person knows how delusional Anissa is. Uh-oh.
That's what Dan was doing reading that super chat. He was trying to distract us as well.
I found it interesting. All right, back the fuck
You're
off.
trying to stop us from
Back the
talking
fuck off,
politics
AB.
for one day.
I find science facts about Jupiter to be really interesting, okay?
Facts.
Speaking of boundaries, did you know that Jupiter actually serves as a boundary in our solar system to prevent like cosmic debris from the outer solar system?
I have heard that.
It kind of acts as sort of like a gravitational vacuum to bring all of those objects that could, you know, hurtle around and smash into the Earth and wipe out life. But in a way, Jupiter serves as a boundary to protect our home here.
Thank you, Dan.
on
You know,
Terra.
Spinning really
sometimes
fast, yeah.
back in Dearborn, we would talk about Jupiter.
No shit.
You talked about Jews, more like.
No shit.
I mean, it's on the Dearborn sign. No, I'm kidding.
Jupiter?
No, I was building off your joke. You said talking about Jews.
Oh, okay.
Hungry as
Listen.
FF, we're trying to finish the show. He's saying migration of Jupiter also caused an event
No,
called
no, we're not
the
doing
late
this.
heavy bombardment.
Dan, this is your fault.
3.9
You wanna
billion
go
years
home.
ago.
Typical misogynist. As soon
increased
as
Don't
Ela
listen
starts
to
talking
bullshit.
about it, let's move
of
on.
impacts in the inner solar system. $10.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching, everybody.